Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone in your Redmi phone. So it's very easy. This works the same way in all Android phones. So you just go to settings, open settings, and in settings look for sound, where it says sound and vibration, ringtone. Open that. You will see ringtones by category in your Redmi phone. You have love, message, party, and you have fortune feast, and you have beats, and so on. You just go with the category. Let's go with the first one, for example, morning. Once you press that, you will see all the ringtones available for your device. You just press one and press OK to select this ringtone. This is the one selected for your device when you get calls. So you can change it. You can choose another one, like this one, for example. Press OK. So you can choose another one. For example, this one. Applied successfully, and so on. This is for Oppo phones, Redmi phones, and other phones. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe, give it a like, share it with others, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.